Rain, go away!
Come again another day.
Little Timmy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Don't come today. We want to play. Splashing in the puddles, having fun. Look! Look! A rainbow after the rain!
Now we can laugh and play.
The garden is happy after the rain.